The last website I'm going to talk about is Google Classroom. I use Google Classroom almost every single day, multiple students, multiple subjects. Um, I love how easy it is and how organized everything is. With Google Classroom, you can have the students do work and they don't even necessarily need to be in school. We have a lot of students that go on vacations. We have a lot of students that, especially this time of year, get sick. And so at any given time, a student can actually go online. They can access the classroom. They can access the assignments that need to be done. And anywhere they have internet connection, they are able to get online and finish whatever the assignment is. If there's any students that try to use the excuse, well, I forgot my textbook at school, so I can't do my homework. This kind of alleviates that because all mom and dad need to do is email me, and I can either get a PDF or I can get the link to the textbooks. I can post it on here, and voila, Johnny has his textbook now. So, another cool thing about this is when you set up your classes, you can actually it also automatically sets up the a Google folder, or I'm sorry, a classroom folder in your Google Drive so that it'll take you directly to those assignments. So this is the photography assignment that I give every week, and as the kids enter um, or upload pictures for this particular assignment, it automatically comes into Google Drive, and I am able to go through, and then we share this once a week, and they are able to kind of again share their life in their outside of school. Um, Another good thing about this is you can add people via email, or you can add teachers via email, and so you can actually have multiple teachers in one class in order to kind of share the class itself. With this, we can also send parents some updates, and you can get different stats. It's super easy to click and make assignments. Click on classwork, create. You can actually create an assignment, or you can do an actual quiz. You can build a quiz. If you're creating an assignment, you can connect anything that is a link or a file from your computer. You can connect or upload anything from your Google Drive. You got YouTube, and then you can actually put in links to different websites as well. You can change the amount of points that it's graded, and then or points that the assignment's worth. And then when you're actually evaluating the assignments, you're able to go through and you can score them, and the kids can get some feedback. Again, everything that the kids are putting in here, you can kind of look and see that everything is um, you can get an idea of what is being done and what is not being done. So it kind of helps you to keep up to date with what the kids are doing as well. So again, that's Google Classroom, probably my favorite of all websites. And I'm sure everybody is probably familiar with it, but I use it enough that I definitely wanted to share it.